What up, everybody? Dark Source Photo Portal. What up? We're back again. Yes, it's me. You know me. If you like me, like this video, subscribe, because I've noticed that a lot of people that are watching videos are not subscribed. So subscribe, and you'll get to see all of the stuff I do, not just one or two. Yeah. Today I'm just gonna be talking about how photography has like opened up my world in so many ways, or even filmmaking as well. And it's so cool to get into these places that I would have never have been if it wasn't for photography. I mean, I've gotten into the craziest of areas and locations. I was in an operating room at a veterinarian place once. That was pretty cool. I got to witness some operations. That was insane. It was so cool. It was such a fun day to witness. It was a little bit disgusting at times, but I mean, it was pretty cool to see. It was gross, there was some gross moments, watching a dog get castrated, not something that I'm like, hey, gather around, friends, I could show you a shot real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's not really something you want to see, but you saw, I showed you, I kind of forced that on you. I apologize. I've gotten into stores that are closed and just get the freedom to walk around and be creative in a store that is closed, with nobody around to look at you weird. I've been in stores, I've been in restaurants, get into the kitchens. I've been in just places that I would have never been. And it's so cool to do that. Filmmaking even gets me into insane places. Like I was flying through the Granby Zoo on the back of a golf cart while filming. That kind of stuff would have never happened in a million years. I get there and I'm getting the VIP treatment. Here's a golf cart just for you, hop on back. Flying on the back of a golf cart, filming these amazing shots of people on bikes, and that would have never happened if I didn't get into this. And this is just me picking up a camera and started to push and started to try to do these things, and it's slowly getting there. And when you get into an opportunity to do something like that, I mean, you feel like you're definitely on the right track, and it's just beyond fun. Photography has gotten me into these amazing cocktail areas in places that I would never have imagined. Handling Christmas parties for different companies and these amazing parties and dinners, and it's just it keeps me going, and it keeps me in this mind state of like, what's next? What am I going to get to do next? And I can't wait to get another type of contract where I'm like, I can't believe I'm here right now. And that's the best part about photography. And that's just, like I said, that was just me one day saying, hey, you know what? I'm going to go all in on this and see if somebody else would like to see what I can do. And from word of mouth, mostly, I've been getting these contracts, and it's too cool, because my regular job, not that fun compared to something like this. And yeah, so if you need me for some crazy ass contract, dude, I'm right here. Dark Source Photo Portal. Telling you that if you had a dream, or if you have a dream of being a freelance photographer or filmmaker, hey, start it off part-time and see where it goes from there. You got nothing to lose at all. Just experience the game. Peace.